Program BCom, subject Business Economics, first semester, Karnataka University, 47th session, cost analysis, subtopic money and real costs, explicit and implicit costs. Money costs and real costs. Money cost is it refers to the total amount of money spent by the producer for producing a commodity in a specified period of time. It includes both explicit cost and implicit cost. Real cost. The term real cost was originally introduced by J.S. Mill and later on developed by Professor Marshall. It is a subjective term and is used to denote the toil, efforts, exertions, sacrifice, abstinence, etc. made by various people in the production of a commodity. Marshall defines real cost thus the exertions of all different kinds of labor that are directly or indirectly involved in making it, together with the abstinence or rather the waiting required for saving the capital used in making it. All these efforts and sacrifices together will be called the real cost of production of that commodity. Explicit cost and implicit cost. Explicit costs, it refers to all those expenses made by a firm to buy goods directly. They include payments for raw materials, taxes and depreciation charges, transportation, power, high fuel, advertising and so on. According to Leftwich, explicit costs are those cash payments which firms make to outsiders for their services and goods. He has given stress on the word explicit and it may be called the approach used by the accountant of the firm. The payments are explicit, clear-cut, paid to agents or owners of factors of production. A contract fixes the rate at which the payments are to be made. Implicit costs. Implicit costs are the imputed value of the entrepreneur's own resources and services. In fact, these costs refers to the implied or unnoticed costs. They include the interest on his own capital, rent on his land, wages of his own labor, etc. Moreover, these costs go to the entrepreneur himself and are not recorded in practice. In the words of Leftwich, implicit costs are the cost of self-owned, self-employed resources. Thank you.